Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Compliments of this season to you guys. So this is a Saturday. This is Vlogmas day 5. Currently on my way to work, and I'm using a tricycle today. No Taxify. Anybody got money for that? Anyway, so I'm already at work and I'm currently waiting for my client. So this is my friend's studio, House of Ray. We are located at Etete Power Complex, Benin City. So if you need a makeup artist and you're in town, definitely book us. So this is my beautiful client. Her name is Omo. She's one of my favorite clients ever. Like, I always enjoy our sessions together. This lady has single-handedly brought me more clients, more referrals than anybody has ever. So she has a special place in my heart, you guys. So this is her getting ready for a wedding, and I just got done with her makeup. Now I'm trying to tie a fan gele on her head, and trust me, this gele was really strong. I was literally battling with it, trying to make sure it's cute and all whatnot. And by this time she was already telling me that I carried my wig in case, because I can't go and have headache. I'm going to pull this wig, the gele rather, because I think it was a bit tight and all of that. So there she is, checking out herself. And you guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe down below. We have more videos coming your way this December. All right. There we go, taking some videos. We're making some really cute videos. You guys, you should follow me on Instagram. I have some beautiful videos and pictures of this look. They are available on my Instagram page. I'll definitely leave a link to my Instagram or in my description box, so do check that out. And yeah, after here, some of my other colleagues at the office, we had more clients come into the shop to get their makeup done and also tie their gele. So this is Faith doing what she knows how to do best. She's one of the best gele stylists in the studio, and so every time a client comes in and she's around, nobody even, we don't drag position with that. We just let her do her thing. You guys will see how beautiful this head tie will turn out in a minute. I mean, she's really good. I'm going to have her come on this channel one of these days to do a proper gele tutorial. If you guys are into that, please leave a comment below, and I'll definitely invite her over here. And yeah, so how's Christmas going with you guys? I mean, do you have your Christmas? What are your Christmas traditions? I mean, do let me know in the comments. All right, I'd love to read it, and I'll also share mine as well. So thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to please subscribe. If you see we are almost at 1K, don't forget to subscribe, please guys. Please subscribe. Going home right now. I told you guys I was going to get a taxi on my way home. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to this channel so you get new videos, notification every time we upload a new video. And yeah, bye. Hi guys, good morning. So this is Vlogmas day 8. I currently have a few errands to run. First off is to go and deliver this Zaron product for a friend. She ordered this about a week ago during the Black Friday sale, so she's always stressing me out, like she has her address and phone number. I could have had them deliver it to her, but she insisted that they deliver it to me so I can bring it to her. These are the things we do for friends. Can you imagine? The sun is so hot. This is I think past 10, and I'm trying to walk to the road to get keke or something to get to her, and I'll show you guys what she ordered once we get there. Now give me 500 naira for my tax fare to go. I cannot be trekking for you every day. Every time you want to order something, you have office, you have home address. Okay. You have refused.
Be putting my home address now.
You have refused to tell them to bring it for you.
Be putting my office address. Don't use me talk.
I think I can remove this one.
So you never open this thing, see what they said.
I'm sure you said I should not open it again.
I say you don't place out.
Open it, Joe.
Okay, this one. I hope say no put me. I go join the thing.
No,
me, I wear my hair.
No, now. Hey, God. I made Bella. You would have been laughing. I said, this is how we get down. Like, me and Carol, we literally get real. Honestly speaking. Guys, she's so funny.
Now, this one be the free gift. Eraser. I'll be the sharpener.
Give me if you don't want it.
Not before eyelash.
Lash eye.
Okay guys, so if you don't already know, I'm a beauty consultant with Zaroncosmetics, and that means that I get to sell their product, and I have a website where all their products are displayed with their different prices. And at this moment we're currently on holiday sale, so we have most of these products about 50% off. So if you're interested, like this eyeshadow palette, she got it for 2,175 naira. A lot of things are on sale right now at 50% off, and if you're interested to get some new makeup products, please use the link in my description box to save a few coins, and then shop your favorite as well. So yeah. So she got a few things. She got an eyeshadow palette, a contour palette. This is the Zaron 3-in-1 contour face palette. It comes with a bronzer, it comes with a powder and a contour powder as well. So it's like really, really cute. Wow, look at that, fam. This is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. After this, she also picked up one matte lipstick and a mascara. They're so pretty. So I was using a Snapchat filter for the other clips. Now I'm using my normal camera because I want you guys to see the color of the lipstick up close and the name. Like, it's such a pretty nude matte lipstick. Absolutely love it. So how's your driving lesson going?
It's been awesome. I drove yesterday.
Congratulations.
And it was super amazing.
You guys, look at her car. Everything is so lit, like so clean. Jesus. Hey God, get you a friend. Get you. Hazy. Life. She's about to go for her driving lesson, and they're going to drop me at the junction so I can, do my nails and be looking cute. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in 1 p.m. because I have a client coming over to get her makeup done. So you guys get ready. It's about to be lit. I don't know what look I'll be creating for her yet, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah.